The view from here is amazing. Can you imagine owning this newly remodeled home overlooking the Saratoga Hills? I sure can. Just a short walk from top-rated schools like Saratoga High. A perfect 10 out of 10. Plus near shopping centers, tons of wineries, major tech companies, and easy access to Highway 280 and 85. Now, let's jump inside. Welcome home. To the right, we have a sunny living room with vaulted ceilings, new carpet flooring, a fireplace, and across the way, a cozy dining room that takes you right into the beautiful gourmet kitchen with high-end stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and finished cabinetry. Continuing on, you will discover a serene family room with a second fireplace and picturesque views of the resort-style backyard. Down the hall, you will find 4 spacious bedrooms, each with its own closet, a full bath with shower tub combo, a laundry room with washer and dryer, and an additional guest bathroom. The Destiny Primary Suites feature an ensuite bathroom with dual sinks, a stall shower, and multiple closets. The cherry on top, this private backyard makes you forget you're in the heart of Siliconvalley, featuring a hotel-style solar heated pool, hot tub, and plenty of space to relax or entertain. That brings my tour to an end. I'm your neighborhood realtor, RENNA, and if you have any questions, feel free to call me at the number below. Also, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings. And I will see you this weekend. Bye now.